Can an animal survive without sleep? It is widely speculated that sleep serves a fundamental biological need, an idea derived from three distinct lines of evidence. Sleep is a universally conserved phenomenon among the animal kingdom. Chronic sleep restriction is often associated to death, and a sleepless animal has never been found. However, whether this striking evolutionary conservation underlies a basic vital function is still an open question. Prolonged periods of inactivity are an evolutionary conserved, experimentally convenient behavioral correlate of sleep. In Drosophila melanogaster, also known as fruit fly, sleep can be estimated by measuring the absence of walking bouts, generally by detecting whenever an isolated fly crosses the midline of a tube. To further improve our confidence in sleep estimation, we recently introduced a machine learning approach that uses supervised learning to detect not only walking activity, but micro-movements too. Our results show that some flies are virtually sleepless in baseline conditions. Analyzing sleep in almost 2,000 flies, we uncovered a previously undescribed fraction of extreme short sleepers. 50% of female flies slept less than 20% of their time, and 6% for less than 5% of their time. Some flies slept as little as 3 minutes a day. Is sleeplessness a peculiarity of a few special individuals, or can any fruit fly cope with little or no sleep? To answer this question, we conducted a lifelong sleep deprivation experiment in which flies were housed in individual tubes, and each tube experienced a 1-second rotation whenever the animal housed inside had shown 20 seconds of continuous immobility. Surprisingly, this complete, forced sleep restriction had no consequence on longevity in males and only a very minor effect on females' lifespan. Taken together, we report two surprising findings challenging the notion that sleep is a vital necessity: the discovery of virtually sleepless flies, and the finding that chronic sleep restriction in Drosophila has notably less pronounced effects on longevity than previously thought. These findings offer a new perspective on the biological role of sleep in Drosophila and, potentially, in other species.